guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be planning for January 22nd to January 28th. It's amazing that I am already planning for the last week in January. Where did January go? It feels like I was just making my New Year's resolutions. So, oh my goodness. So before we get started, I want to just show you this last week's Plan With Me and how it turned out. I'm filming on Sunday. And this week was very, I don't know, it like went really quickly, and I feel like I didn't utilize this spread at all. But I don't know if you, but my husband's car that he uses frequently died on Tuesday, so we've been figuring out what we're gonna do for the whole week, and then I blinked and then it was Friday, and yeah. So, let's get started on this week's Plan With Me. So this week I'm using I don't actually know what it's called. I think it's Let It Snow by Planner Kate. So it's got these beautiful teals and the black. And then here's the full boxes. So yeah, I'm going to start with my bottom washi. I hope everyone's week has been going better than mine. Yeah, my husband drove the car to Walmart from work, and when he came out of Walmart, it wouldn't start. So it was the battery, but the car is so old that we had trouble getting the battery cables off. So it was just a very whirlwind of a week. So, and yeah, so yesterday I volunteered at like a local family event for the school district I work for, and that was fun. There was a little petting zoo, which was super fun to go and kind of hang out with the animals and stuff like that. So that was just fun. I was only there a couple hours, so. And then I just hung around all day, finished a book. So yeah. Okay, so bottom washi is down, and let's see. I am gonna do my full boxes, and I'm going to check my next episode app, and there is a Riverdale on, so I'm going to be putting one of these more whited out boxes on Wednesday. I do need to watch this past Wednesday's episode, so I'm gonna do that hopefully today, Sunday, but I don't know. We will see. So I'm going to start with I think I'm gonna put this quote box here. Let's do this. So since it is the end of January, I did want to talk about like my New Year's resolutions, like an update. So in case you don't remember, I had 3 resolutions. One was to read a book a week, although I was shooting for 70. The second resolution was film a plan with me every week, and then the third resolution was to knit something every quarter. Well, I have not knitted at all this month. I don't know if I'm going to keep that as a resolution or an intention or a goal, only because, I don't know, I feel like I have other things that I would like to do with my time, and knitting is not one of them. So we'll see how that plays out. As for books, quite. I'll show you this part in my planner. Let's take a side note. So this is my January notes. And I have read 8 books so far in January, which is awesome. And only one has been, well, technically 2 have been audiobooks. So the other 6 have been actually physically reading, which is awesome. And then I did put my planner kits here and the book new releases that I'm really looking forward to. And then I do have my habit tracker, which is kind of funny. I really want to work out more, but I feel like I don't have time, which I think is everyone's problem. But you can tell that I've only worked out once in the month of January so far. And then vacuum and up by 5:30. Those are 2 other things that I really wanted to work on. But yeah, so. And I wanted to work out 10 times, which I still could do in January, but we'll see. And I already surpassed my read 5 books, so that's how January is shaping up. Okay, so back to this plan with me. So I did read 8 books. So I'm just really excited. To continue that momentum into February. And I am in February going to be hopefully participating in Creating & Co.'s Enchantathon, which is February. I don't remember. I think it's the 19th through the 25th, I think. Don't quote me on that though. So I do want to take part in that, I think. But that has like specific books you need to read for categories, and so there's that. And actually, I think I'm going to move around 2 boxes here. Well, I'll leave it the way it is. Okay, so full boxes are done. And now I'm going to do my checklists. Okay, so checklists are done. Okay, so checklists are done, and now I'm going to start going day by day. Okay, so I am still doing, well, I'm trying to do the Planner Addicts photo of the day, but I didn't really do anything last week. So I'm hoping to take some pictures today and have some ready to go for this week. So I think, depending on how things fill up, I might do the individual labels, or I might just do in the checklist. I might just do the checklist because last week was really plain. So I do have, so I really don't have anything Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. Although on Wednesday I am going to put in my TV icon for Riverdale. And Thursday, the 25th, I do have a meeting that I need to leave work early for. So I'm going to take this kind of box with the scrollies in it. And I'm just going to put this there. And I do have to drive to this meeting, so I'm going to use the car icon. So there's that. And then the PVC sale starts so the PVC sale is this weekend, and Planner Kate is participating in the sale. So I do want to place an Planner Kate order this day, and I'm going to use, I think, the Snowflake quarter box. And then because I am spending money, I'm going to use this cute little $sign. And then also I have to change the furnace filter this day. And I'm going to use, I think, a black appointment label. And that I'm going to use the home icon for Saturday. I think Saturday I want to go see a movie. I've been seeing the trailer for, it's called Forever My Girl, and it's got the actress that was in Happy Death Day, the main actress in there. And I thought that movie was just like I really don't like scary movies, but I thought that movie was just entertaining as hell. Like, I just love it. So, and I've been seeing the trailers for this new movie, Forever My Girl, and it looks like something that would be really up my alley, like a very kind of traditional rom-com-y sort of deal. So I really want to go see that sometime. So I think I'm going to use a black one. And this is also from Planner Kate. And actually, I probably shouldn't put it just like in the middle of the day, because actually I think I'm gonna put it right down here at the bottom. There. Okay. So there's that. And then I also have to film I have to film my monthly for February and my weekly plan with me. So I think I'm just going to take this black snowflake box, put that up top, and then I'm going to take one of the leftover checklists, and I only need 4 dots. So film, edit, upload, and thumbnail. And I'm going to put that here. And then I also do have filming icons from Planner Kate. I think I'm going to take like this light blue color to match the kit. And put that in that box right there. So that's going to signify, I'll just do film or plan with me weekly or monthly, and then it'll be fine. Okay, now let's focus on my sidebar. So I am going to do a to-do list. I'm going to use these cute little scallops over here. I'm going to do to-do. To go and to call. Ooh, that to go is not centered. That's better. Okay, so I'm going to have my to-do list up top. Move that over just a little bit. To call, I still have to call my insurance company and figure out, we do get reimbursed a certain dollar amount for like healthy living, so like health clubs, like gym membership sort of thing. But I have to see if I can, it's like $200 per family, but does that mean like one person can use it? Or does that mean that they actually have to use, like, I don't, I'm just, yeah. And then to go. And actually I'm going to move down the to call, because I think I'm only going to have a couple people to call. And then the rest can be to-dos. And then one more thing I wanted to be able to mark, and that I'm going to put up in this corner, is the number of weeks until spring break, which is 8. I am just so eagerly waiting. We're traveling for spring break, which is fun and awesome. So, okay. I think that is going to be it for this week. I know, pretty soon plans will be coming up and it'll be a lot more interesting. So, thanks so much for watching. If you could subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome, because then you'll be notified when I post a video. So thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.